Hi students, good morning. How are you? Fine. Now continuation of colligative properties. Previous class in colligative properties, three completed. First one is relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point and depression freezing point. Now I will give some numericals in first three colligative properties: RLVP, elevation of boiling point and depression freezing point. Because now numericals, problems required. After that I will give last concept, osmotic pressure. Now I will give some problems. Write down. Numericals on RLVP, elevation of boiling point and depression freezing point. So first one is, write down, the RLVP of an aqueous solution of AQUEOS, aqueous solution containing a non-volatile solute, is 0.0125. Calculate the molality of the solution. Calculate the molality of the solution. In this case, once observe, in this problem, the RLVP means relative lowering vapor pressure of an aqueous solution containing a non-volatile solute is 0.0125. Calculate the molality of the solution. Already previous class I given one formula. One formula means RLVP equal to small m into capital M by 1000. Small m into capital M by 1000. Here small m means molality. Capital M means gram molecular weight of or molar mass of solvent. Gram molecular weight of solvent, not molarity. Here small m means molarity, you know. Capital M means gram molecular weight of solvent. Okay. They asked calculate the molality of the solution. Molality asked. So RLVP given how much? 0.0125 equal to m into. So aqueous solution means water solvent. Water molecular weight how much? 18. So 18 by 1000. Next step, visible? Small m equal to, now I will write here. Small m equal to molality. Small m equal to 0.0125 into 1000 by 18. Generally 1000 by 18 means how many time cancel? So simple. 1000 by 18 means these are 55.5. 1000 by 18 means 55.5. So now I will calculate 55.5 into 0.0125. That means calculation. 0.69375. Here 0.69375. That means nearly 0.70. Simply 0.70. That is a molality of the solution. Once again, the relative lowering vapor pressure of an aqueous solution containing a non-volatile solute is 0.0125. Calculate the molality of the solution. Here formula we know, shortcut formula. RLVP equal to small m into capital M by 1000. Here small m means molality, capital M means gram molecular weight or molar mass of solvent. So simply gram molecular weight of solvent by 1000. They given RLVP, they asked molality of the solution. Water, aqueous solution means aqueous solution, solvent water molecular weight 18. So I substituted values m equal to 0.0125 into 1000 by 18. So 1000 by 18 means fixed. 1000 by 18 means 55.5. That means I calculated 0.69375, simply 0.70. That is a molality of the solution. Write down. So problem number second problem. Problem number 2. Second problem. The molar boiling point constant. The molar boiling point constant. The molar boiling point constant for water is 0.513. Kelvin meter inverse. Generally previous I given Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. That also correct. Kelvin molality inverse. These are molality. M is molality. Kelvin molality inverse when 0.1 mole. When 0.1 mole of sugar is dissolved in 200 grams of water. Then calculate the boiling point of solution. The boiling point of solution under a pressure of 1 atmosphere. Under the pressure of 1 atmosphere. Here the molar boiling point constant for water is 0.513 Kelvin molality inverse. When 0.1 molar of sugar is dissolved in 200 grams of water, then calculate the boiling point of solution under a pressure of 1 atmosphere. They given Kb given constant, ebullioscopic constant given Kb, number of moles given, molarity also completed. they ask boiling point of solution. So generally we know formula. Delta TB equal to boiling point. Before we want to calculate the elevation of boiling point. Delta TB equal to Kb into M. M means molality. Kb means already given how much? 0.513 into molality means weight by gram molecular weight into, generally molality means weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent. Weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams. Okay. Here 0.1 mole given, mole number given. Mole means given weight by gram molecular weight. Already number of moles given. Number of moles given means, now I will write here. Here one see. Here, so delta TB equal to 0.513 into number of moles how much given? 0.1 into 1000 by weight of solvent given how many grams? So 200 grams. Okay, so these are 5 times cancelled. So 0.513 into 0.5. That means calculation 0.5 means 0.513 into 0.5. 5 times 0.2565. 0.2565. Simple I am writing 0.26. 0.256. Okay, 0.256. 0.256. What is the elevation of boiling point? Delta TB. Elevation of boiling point. Okay, they asked a boiling point. So simply boiling point of solution. Boiling point of solution equal to, boiling point of solution equal to 100 plus delta TB. Here 100 plus delta TB how much? 0.256 degrees centigrade. That means 100.256 degrees centigrade. That is a, so that is a, so boiling point of solution. Once again, by given data delta, so boiling point, before we can calculate elevation of boiling point. Delta TB equal to 0.513 into number of moles given. So solvent weight 200 grams, 1000 by 200. I calculated 0.256 delta TB. Boiling point of solution equal to 100 plus delta TB. So calculated. So these are boiling point of solution on 100.256 degrees centigrade. So write down. Okay, write down next problem. Next problem. Problem number 3. Now problem number 3. Problem number 3. If the elevation in boiling point, if the elevation in boiling point, if the elevation in boiling point, if the elevation in boiling point of a solution of 10 grams of solute, 10 grams of solute, 10 grams of solute within bracket 2, molecular weight 100, molecular weight 100 in 100 grams of water, 100 grams of water, 100 grams of water, 100 grams of water is delta dB. Grams of water is delta dB. The ebullioscopic constant of water is, the ebullioscopic constant of water is, the given options. First option 100, 10. Second option 10 delta TB. Third option delta TB. Fourth option delta TB by 10. Once again, your first option, second option, third option, fourth options. So which one is correct? One see, the elevation in boiling point of solution of 10 grams of solute, molecular weight given, molecular weight how much? 100. In 100 grams of water is delta dB. The ebullioscopic constant of water is, we can calculate ebullioscopic constant value or formula. In this case, now write down the formula. Delta TB equal to actually Kb into m. Delta TB equal to Kb, we don't know, x into m. Delta TB. So the elevation in boiling point of solution containing 10 grams of molecular 100 grams of water is delta TB. Delta TB given direct. Delta TB equal to x into, okay, 10 grams of solute molecular weight, 10 by molecular weight given 100 into 1000 by, so these are 100 by solvent weight given 100 grams. These are 10 times cancelled, 10 into 10, it is also cancelled, that means x. Therefore, x equal to delta TB. X means ebullioscopic constant. So answer which option? Third option. Understand my point? X means ebullioscopic constant. X equal to, therefore x means ebullioscopic constant. Ebullioscopic constant. So ebullioscopic constant x how much? Delta TB. Anyway, simply Kb equal to delta TB. So delta TB equal to Kb. So these are x equal to delta TB. Delta x means ebullioscopic constant. So the ebullioscopic constant of water is ebullioscopic constant of water. Ebullioscopic constant of water is delta TB. Simply. So these are another problem. Okay, write down. Okay, next problem number 4. The boiling point of a solution. The boiling point of a solution. The boiling point of a solution of 0.11 grams. 0.11 grams of a substance. In 15 grams of ether. In 15 grams of ether. 15 grams of ether was found to be 0.11 was found to be 0.1 degree centigrade. 0.1 degree centigrade. Higher than that of. Higher than that of. Higher than that of. Higher than that of pure ether. Pure ether. The molecular weight of the molecular weight of substance will be the molecular weight of the substance. The molecular weight of the substance will be within bracket Kb equal to they given Kb means evaluoscopic 2.16 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. Okay, Kb equal to 0 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. They given options 148, 158, 168, lucky numbers like that, 178. So these are options, very lucky. There are options also 148, 158, 168, 178. These are very easy. So these are first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Which option will be correct? The boiling point of a solution of 0.11 gram of substance in 15 grams of ether was found to be 0.1 degree centigrade, higher than that of pure ether. The molecular weight of the substance will be, they asked molecular weight. Here 0.1 means elevation of boiling point increases. Elevation of boiling point, these are solution. These are boiling point of solution. We know, compared to solvent, boiling point of solution higher. Elevation of boiling point given. They asked molecular weight of the substance, molecular mass of the substance. So once formula, delta Tb equal to Kb into m. M means molality. M means molality. Now substitute the formula, delta Tb equal to Kb given 2.16 into already Kb also given 0.1 Kb into molality weight 15 by gram molecular we don't know, gram molecular question mark or m into 1000 by 15 grams ether. 1000 by they given 0.11 grams 0.11 grams 0.11 grams of substance in ether. Solvent weight how many grams? 15 grams. That means 1000 by 15 how many times cancel. So these are calculation. 0.11 grams that equal to, so 1000 by 15 means nearly calculation 1000 by 15 you calculate 1000 by 15 means 60 times 15 into 6. 1000 by 15 is how many times cancel once? Observe. 66 point. 66 into 15. 66.10 is there. 10. 66.6. 990, that means 66 nearly 66.6 into 0.11, so 66.6 into 0.11 means 7.325. So generally 7.325. 66 okay 7.325. That means 7.325 into, after that 7.325. 7.325. Here I calculate 7.325 into 2.16. 2.16. 2.16 means nearly 6. Next 7, 3, 2, 5, 10, nearly 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15.8. 15.82. 0.1 equal to 15.82 by 15.82 by m. 15.82 by m. Next, finally, calculation problem. So 0.1 equal to 15.82 by m. Here m equal to 15.82 by 0.1. Simply 158.2 by 1. So final answer 158.2. So which option correct? Second option correct. Second option correct. Anyway, gram molecular weight of substance, these are how much? 158.2. So that is the answer. Second option correct. Write down problem. You know calculation very easy. Completed, students? Write down next. Write down next problem. Problem number 7, Amma. 6, okay. Problem number 7. Write down. The rise in boiling point of the boiling point of a solution containing 1.8 grams of glucose, 1.8 grams of glucose, 1.8 grams of glucose in 100 grams of solvent, in 100 grams of solvent, in 100 grams of solvent is 0.1 degree centigrade, 0.1 degree centigrade. The molar elevation constant of the liquid, the molar elevation constant of the liquid is the molar elevation constant of the liquid is, they give an option. So first option 0.01 Kelvin per molarity, second 0.1 Kelvin per molarity, third option 1 Kelvin per molarity, fourth option 10 Kelvin per molarity. K means Kelvin, M means molarity. Here which option correct? So these are first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Which option correct? Actually here in this case, one see 0.1 degree centigrade elevation of boiling point given. Simple formula delta TB equal to Kb into m. Delta TB given how much? 0.1. Kb we don't know. Kb x equal molality. Molality means generally 1.8 grams of glucose. Glucose given weight by gram molecular weight. Glucose 180 into 1000 by solvent given. How much? How many grams solvent? 100 grams. So these are 100. These are 10 times. These are 18. 18 by. This means 0.1. That means 0.1 x equal to x into 0.1. Therefore x equal to 1. 1 means simply 1 Kelvin inverse molality. So which option correct? So these are third option correct. Here K means Kelvin, M means molality. General ebullioscopic constant Kelvin kilogram mole inverse or simply Kelvin for molality. So anyone okay. Okay. So which option correct? So third option correct. So write down. Okay, next problem. Problem number 8. Students, 8 to 7 na? 8 huh? Okay. So problem number 8. Problem number 8. The boiling point of benzene is the boiling point of benzene is 353.23. 353.23 Kelvin when 1.8 grams of 8 grams of A non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 grams of benzene. 90 grams of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. So the molar mass of solute is within bracket 2 Kb for benzene. Kb for benzene is how much? Benzene value given how much? 2.53 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. Okay, that is a problem. Here ebullioscopic constant or molar elevation boiling point constant given how much? Benzene 2.53 Kelvin kilogram. They given options 58 gram per mole. Generally molecular rate gram per mole 58. 106 gram per mole. Next 174 gram per mole. Last 233 gram per mole. They given like that. The first option. So your first option, your second option, third option, last fourth option. So which option correct? The boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin when 1.8 grams of a non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 grams of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. The molar mass of the solute is, they given boiling point of solvent to boiling point of solution. You know, among boiling point of solution, among the solvent and solution, which one have more boiling point? Solution having more boiling point. We know concept. So these are solvent, these are solution. The difference between boiling point of solution and solvent is known as elevation of boiling point. First, from this value and this value, we calculate first, so that subtraction or remaining value are considered as a elevation of boiling point. That simply, so these are boiling point of water. So these are boiling point of benzene, 353.23. Okay, next generally 353.23. Simply 353.23. Solvent how much given? Solution 354. 354 plus 11. That means simply first delta TB equal to Ts minus T naught. Boiling point of solution, boiling point of solvent. Ts how much? 354.11 minus 353.23. These are how much remaining? So 354.11, 353.23. That means 8, 0, 0.88. So difference how much? 0.88. 0.88. So these are 0.88. They given Kelvin, 0.88. The boiling point Kelvin. 0.88 Kelvin. Measure students, 0.88 Kelvin. Delta TB. Okay. Substitute value. Delta TB equal to Kb into m. Delta TB how much? 0.88 equal. Kb given how much? Kb value how much given? Kb value given how much? Kb value 2 point. Kb value given how much? 2.53. 2.53 into molarity. Weight given how much? 1.8. 1.80 by x into 1000 by gram molecular. So solvent weight given benzene. Benzene how much? 90 grams. Generally 1000 by 90 means nearly 11.11. 11.11. These are value. Okay. Simply 11 point. In this case, after that 11.11 1.80. We want 11.1.80. So first 1.80 into 11.11. Calculation. Okay. 180, 180, 180, 180. 19.99. Nearly 19.99 means I calculate simply 20. Nearly 20. So nearly 20. Into 20 into 0.88 equal to 2.53 into 20 by x. By 20 by x. We want x. X with gram molecule. After that, x equal to 2.53 into 20 by 0.88. Simply 2.53 into 20. 2.53 into 20. 50.60. 50.60 by 0.88. 50.60 by 0.88. After that simply, now I am doing 506 by 8.8. 506 by 8.8 means nearly, or 5060 by 88. Nearly 5 times. 5 times Next 57 point like that. That means 58 nearly. So final value simply 58.2 coming. Simply answer 58. Answer 58 correct. Answer 58. So calculation, dear students. So I calculated simply shortcut. You follow, you try. But answer 58 coming. So answer 58 gram per mole. So answer molecular weight 58. So that is another problem. Problem number 8 and okay. Write down. Problem number next 9. Problem number 9. Problem number 9. Theory A. Which are the following solution? Which are the following? Which are the following? Following solution will have. Which are the following solution will have? The highest. The highest boiling point. We know first option 0.1 molar aluminum sulfate. Second option 0.05 m ferric chloride. 0.2 molar NaCl. Next 0.3 molar urea. Which option correct? In this case, your first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Which are the boiling solution will have the highest boiling point? We know boiling point is directly proportional to particle concentration. Particle concentration equal to molarity of the solution or molar concentration into number of particles or ions or molecules formed from the one molecule of the solute. Anyway, in previous I explained particle concentration. Among these four, which one is highest boiling point? Now I calculated here. First one is 0.1 into molarity. Particle concentration equal to molar concentration into number of particles. Aluminum sulfate containing how many particles? 2 aluminum ions, 3 sulfate ions. 2 plus 3 how many? 5. That means these are how much? 0.5 molar. Second case 0.05 into ferric chloride how many? Ferrous ferric chloride Fe3 plus 1 plus 3 4 equal to simply 0.2 molar. Next third case sodium chloride Na plus Cl minus 2 particles. So 0.2 into 2 0.4 m. Last one is urea. Urea is not ionic compound, cannot produce particles. Urea, glucose, starch like that, and sucrose, these are considered as a covalent compound. These are number of particles considered as a one unity. That means 0.3 into 1, that means 0.3 m. Among the four options, which option is having more boiling point is directly proportional to particle concentration? Among these four, which one is more? First option correct. So these are 0.1 molarity aluminum sulfate having highest boiling point. That is a theory bit, very important, very easy. Okay, write down the answer. Okay, students. Okay. Anyway, so now elevation of boiling point concepts problems I finished. Remaining class, next class, depression and freezing point problems, depression and freezing point problems, and another one is Raoult's law problems also. Raoult's law problem is P naught minus Ps P naught formula related problems also I will give. Okay, next class also I will give remaining problems. Okay, so today 9 problems completed. Remaining problems, remaining numericals on depression and freezing point and relative lowering of vapor pressure, Raoult's law problems also next class. Okay, I will give. Okay, thank you children, thank you.